Okay. Yes, Jans. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's Vlad speaking in the uh, on the GoToMeeting platform, but he's the boss, you know. But it's Laszlo. So, hi everybody. Yes, you can. Yeah, this is the first webinar, guys. So no worries. You can you can see again we were recorded, and this is just the first step. I would like to introduce the service, my tools. This is the first part of my tools. We have and I have a complicated version of this Toolbox 1. We have Toolbox 2. You will see this one also, and you will enjoy, I promise. Just I want to show you the service, the signal service and everything. Okay. Hi Momo. Cool. Guys, so hi everybody, and again it's Laszlo, and I am very happy to welcome you to the Toolbox number 1 webinar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the indicators and the EAs in my Toolbox 1. I hope you will enjoy. These indicators were programmed by the way by my team of developers for my own use, but many of my followers asked to share these tools, and I'm very happy to share today. This is very useful. Um, um, no problem, Jens. No problem. I'll come back again. So this is very useful tools, and that's the truth, guys. I built it for myself. That's the truth, and I hope for the beginners, it's one of the most helpful tool in the market and in the world. But you know, so most of you probably know me from the blogs and from the seminars I hold in Hungary together with my brother, my friend, my colleague, Vladimir Ribakov. And recently I have also opened my own signal service, which you can see on the screen. This is not only a signal service. I will do webinars to teach and to show how I use my tools, my strategies, what is the basic of my entries, of my trades, and very soon I'm adding my own robots, the first robot, the first EA, and not only one, maybe 2 or 3 EA, which is also built by my team and by myself. So you will like it, I promise. You will like it. We need, for example, let's say 2 or 3 weeks to enjoy the EAs, the expert advisors. Okay, guys. The question the question from Momo, I do I make a lot of money with this tool? Momo, I will share with you everything what I have, and without secret, really, because we are teaching, we are holding face-to-face seminars also all around the world, and we are sharing everything what we have, because we come from the financial sector and the bank sector, and you know, we don't want to keep the secrets for ourselves. We want to mentor, we want to mentoring and want to trade together, not just talking and teaching. Yeah, that's too from last year. That's why I'm telling you that's the first step to introduce my own signal service, and that's the first step. This was the first step for the beginners and for everybody, as a tools, which is very useful because I programmed and I made it for myself. And we have Toolbox 2 also, and I will share with you this one. Of course, the Toolbox 2 is much more complicated, and just for a quick 2 minutes I will share with you the Toolbox 2 also, but we will hold a separate webinar about it. Okay, guys? It's a good question, Jens. It's an EA, or trading by my hands. Of course, both. Now I'm trading only and only manually, but since 8 years we are programming based on the divergences what we are using and what we are learned from the past on the financial sector, and we built many EAs for ourselves. And we decided to share with you these EAs because it's more than profitable. And but I don't want to sell it, guys, because it's working. I don't want to sell it. I want that you can enjoy, and that's all. I don't want. I want to hold the EAs in my hands because this is my babies, you know. Simply. Yeah, Jens. Exactly. I follow trades myself, of course. I'm trading manually, and 2-3 weeks, and I will share with you, and you can enjoy the EAs based on a copy program. Okay, guys. So let's start. So this was the first step on the signal service way for me. That's the first step, and I'm happy to share with you my trading tools. Again, this is the Toolbox 1, and I have Toolbox 2 also, and I will hold a webinar about it also. Just I want to share with you how I'm trading. Okay, guys. So let's start. One of the biggest idea and the biggest night was for me to figure out the multi-timeframe versions of the indicator what we are using. Now you can see. Let's start with the indicators, the MACD, the RSI, and with the stochastic. We are using these momentum indicators and histograms to find and to manage the trade by divergences. The momentum indicator we are using to find divergences plus extreme levels, of course. Extreme levels, of course. And my problem was that usually I'm trading on 4-hour charts, and I follow the trades on 4-hour chart, and I want to know if on lower time frame, for example on 1-hour time frame, a divergence is coming against me. So that's the sign to close the trade or to close the part of the trade. And also interesting what happening on the lower time frame. It's definitely it's a very informative also. So that's why I figure out to 3 time frames indicator. On every 3 indicators what we are using to find extreme levels and divergences, and this is how it look like. You can, if we are going into the parameter table for the MACD multi indicator, of course you can change the parameter of the MACD. You can change how many histograms you want to see in one time frame. Now it's 99 candles or histograms what you can see in one box, in one time frame box. And of course you can change the time frames also. So if anybody is like to be kamikaze and trading on M15 or M5 time frame, you can change the time frames what you can see, M5, M15, and 1 hour. Of course, just change the time frames, and you can see in this way the lower and the higher time frames movement. It's very simple indicator, but very useful. Believe me, if you will trade as we like to trade, to follow the lower and the higher time frame also, you will like it very much. Nothing new in the second indicator. On the RSI indicator, of course the RSI indicator is the same. You can change the period of the RSI indicator, and you can change the bars what you want to see in the boxes. Okay, and the time frames also you can change. You can change the color and everything. So this is how it look like and how it's working. The multi indicators, very simple but very useful. Also on the stochastic you can change everything. What is important. Now just a quick jumping to the Toolbox 2. Just a quick jumping on the Toolbox 2. We have the divergences signal also into the indicator. So you will get email alert. You will get a chart alert also if you get a bullish divergence or bearish divergence, or what type of divergence you have. You get email and display alert also. So on the Toolbox 2 I put it the divergence signals also, but that's the next webinar. I don't want to confuse you, but this was the basic for that. Okay guys, so this was the basic. What do you think about the multi idea? Because for me it was the one of the biggest feeling, I mean positive feeling when I figure out this one. Thank you guys. Okay. This was my this was what I want to see and her. Cool. Thank you. So on the next versions you will see, and you can see divergences when it's coming, and you will get email and everything. And by the way, if you want and if you like to use extreme levels, we can put, and if you want, and tell me if you want, we can put the extreme level alert also. So for example, if the RSI indicator above 80 or below 20, or just hit and touched the 80 or 20, you can get email and display alert also. The programmer team is here with me in the office, and we can create everything what we want very quickly. So tell me what you want, and this is the one of the most important rule of my service, guys, to the mentoring, and to be together and trade together. And if you have any idea and if you have anything to program which can useful to the team, to the club, to our club, very welcome to program it on MT4. Yes, email and signal alert. Jens, what you want? On MT4 it's easier because most of you using MT4. What about the Williams percentage indicator? See, Osman, so if you want, we can talk about it privately, and everything is possible. If it's useful and you can explain me how you want to see, and it's really useful, I can create for you, of course, and for the team, of course. Only in this way, if we can share with the club, Osman. Okay. We will discuss Laszlo. Maybe the problem come from your MetaTrader. Okay, Osman, let's see. I'm happy to share with you. You're welcome, Laszlo. Yeah, sure. We can go through. Okay guys, so that's about the multis indicator. Okay, the next one, what I want to share with you, this one, the spread and swap and the time to bar close. This is the details indicator. The name is, this is the details indicator. The indicator is very simple, showing you the spread on the current pair what you are use, and how much is the long swap and the short swap. The time to bar and to close, you can choose what time frame you want to see when we'll close the bar, the actual bar, the current bar. You can change and you can choose the time frame also. That's the details. And see, you can change the time frames into the parameter table. It's easy. Okay, it's easy. Of course, in the Toolbox 2 is much more informative. The Toolbox 2 is very much more difficult. Not so difficult, but more useful. For example, on the short swap and the long swap, you can see what does it mean in money, in your what is the basic, what is the currency of your account. You can see in money per one lot. What does it mean, the swap? And many ideas. Okay, and guys, so that's the main rule for this signal service: trading together and figure out together. If you have any idea to put to the informative details, don't hesitate to share with me, and I will create if it's useful for the club. Okay. Jens, you are a programmer also. Come on. Cool. Welcome in the family. Of course. If you have energy to work together, I'm very happy. Where are you? Where do you live at the moment, Jens? In Luxembourg. Cool. Great. Yeah, sure. I'm very happy. Just contact me and we can talk about it privately. Sure. Great. I'm waiting your email. Okay. I'm waiting your email. So, and the next one, guys, which is also very interesting. This is the risk manager indicator. I think this is next to the multi indicators. This is one of the biggest help tool to the beginners, because that's the first rule. The money management. If anybody know what does it mean, the money management, no way to lose the account. No way to lose the account. That's the truth. And this indicator finally is not an Excel table, or I don't know, to calculate immediately and exactly before the trade, before you enter. What does it mean? These percentages, everything. It's driving me crazy when I tried this Excel table, or I don't know. And I decided to create an indicator to help to the beginners. And how it's working? This indicator is the indicator is very simple. How it looks like inside, you can put and give the indicator how many percentage you want to risk per trade. How many percentage you want to risk per trade. I prefer 1 or 2% per trade. Okay, for example, in this situation, 1%, you are looking. For example, you are looking to sell the euro dollar because it's relevant. In depend from tomorrow, the Bernanke and the fundamental situations, and what does it mean, the fundamental pressure. But so tomorrow maybe the euro dollar will be very bearish. And for example, you want to enter, and not that that's the moment when you can enter, but what you can know at the moment, where will be your stop loss. For example, your stop loss, you sure will be in this level. For example, 34.50. It's above the last high. It's pretty safety in intraday trade. Pretty safety stop loss. if you get a divergence and everything, but not this is the main point. So for example, here is the stop loss, and in this situation, if at the moment you want to enter, what does it mean? The lot size per percentage, because your account is 50k in this situation, in this example, the account is 50k. The 1% risk at the moment, if the stop loss is here, is $500, and it means 48 pips at the moment. So if you want to enter now, you can take 1.4 lot. But just waiting the correct time to enter. If you want to enter, for example, if the price action is closing below the current support, for example, you are waiting, closing below the current support, and you will get a clear and perfect retest of the support, and you get a bearish candle pattern. You can start the attack. What you can do when you want to enter, just read what does it mean in size, what does it mean in lot size per 1% risk. Very useful and amazing tool, believe me. Amazing tool for beginners, of course, and not just for beginners, guys. Sometimes I'm using also because it's quicker. If you know where is your top loss and you are waiting an entry, it's very easy to just read, and you will see what does it mean in the lot size. Okay, guys. What do you think about it? You can understand the... It's good, okay. Thank you, Rupesh. Cool, thank you, guys. Great. Okay, and the last one, what I want to show, this is yeah, okay. So this is the chart name indicator. The indicator is I like to use this tool, the chart name indicator. This is euro dollar, because the actual time frame, or sorry, the actual symbol where you are analyzing, I like to see bigger, because sometimes I have three big monitors, and on per monitor sometimes I have 20 or 15 opens chart, and it's better for my eyes to see in bigger the letters to the chart. That's all. And the last one, guys, what I want to share with you, this is also amazing tool. That's my opinion. This is the order manager expert. This is an expert, the order manager, and also for beginners and for anybody who can't sitting in front of the computer always, because this expert is managing your trade. You can how can it manage your trades? First of all, you are open your position manually. After it, when you open your position manually, you can put the order ticket number of your position. That's how the expert can read and manage your position. That's the first step. So let's open a short trade, for example, in here in the euro dollar. Let's put the order manager expert, make it live, and put the order ticket number, which is 10077. Just a minute, I got an alert. So 10077 3335. Okay, that's the first step. So this is my order ticket number. That's the first step. The second step, what you want to do when the price action reaching the target 1 level. For example, I open now one lot, pretty crazy, but I open one lot, and on the TP1 level, I can't tell you at the moment where is the TP1 level, but I will decide. The main point is you can decide how much of your position you want to close, how many part of your position you want to close. For example, I want to close 0.5 when the TP1, the target one, is reaching. You can use the Bollinger Band, the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is the 20 MA basically. You want to use this one as a target one because very often the 20 moving average, the middle of the Bollinger Band, is the support or resistances. Okay, so many clients from the club like to use it as target one. I like also. And the Bollinger Band upper or lower boundaries also possible to use it as a target one. Just change to true and the order manager will close the half of your position when the price action is reaching the lower boundary in this situation, because the sell position is reaching the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band. But at the moment I don't want to use the Bollinger Bands to reach the TP1. I will use trend lines or horizontal lines, supports or resistances. I will show you how. You can change the Bollinger Band period also. What do you want to do when your target one is happening, is reaching? I want to close, in this example, 0.3. What you can choose, move the stop loss to the entry if the target one is reaching. If you are changing from false to true, the expert will move the stop loss to the break even when the target one is reaching. Okay, when the target one is reaching. But you can choose this option when the target 2 is reaching. For example, I want to move the stop loss to protect the part of the order what I have. If the target 2 is reaching, I'm changing to true, the move stop loss to entry at TP1 done, and the order manager will move the stop loss to the entry price. And what do you want to do on the TP1? Of course, to close all the trade. That's the 0.2. Okay, so this is how it look like, by the way. And let's wait a tick, and we can see the order manager find our ticket, find our position. How I'm using usually, how I like to find the target 1, the target 2. I like to find the target 1 and the target 2 with trend lines and supports and resistances, so by horizontal lines. Now in this example I using horizontal lines. I want to close 0.5 from one lot when the price action is reaching this trend line. What I can do, that's the only one what I can do, change the trend line name to TP1. That's the only thing what you can do. The trend line name is TP1, and if the price action will reach the trend line, you see from in this candle, it will means 63 pips. It means 316 US dollar as a profit. Okay, nice. What I can do on the TP2, for example, the TP2, it's very relevant. For example, in this support, if the price action is reaching this support, I want to close the 0.3 lot of my orders. What you can do, what you must do, this is the only one, TP2, that's the horizontal line name, and you can see this is 100 37 pips, and it means total 728 US dollar. It's a total included with the TP1. Okay, friends. And of course TP3, everything, etc. But you can also, and you must, to put stop loss line also. This is a SL stop loss line, and you will see the stop loss line is 45 pips, and you will lose the 450 US dollar in this situation. Okay. Jans, it's not good. Yeah. It's good idea. It's good idea. Now I can see what you brought me. It's good idea. Yeah, we can open a trade also. Yeah. I have it's semi automatic EA for myself, but I can share if you want. If it's reaching the trend line, or in my version, break the trend line and retest. And now in this situation and in this moment we'll enter in my version. Yeah, guys, everything depends from the strategy. I will hold you, and listen guys, I will hold you webinars per week, how much you want. We can analyze together the market. I can hold webinars about the tools, the strategies, how I'm using, how you can, for example, one of the most important, believe or not, how you can use trend lines. Because I have four ways to use trend line. It's one of the most important things. For example, so we are holding many webinars and market analyzing. If you want, I want to be as a family, guys, as a real club. I have a club here in Hungary. I have many friends from the signal service, from the Vladimir signal service. Also, many friends. National club. We have international club, and I want to share with you everything, guys. I want to share with you everything. So that's how it look like the Toolbox one. That's how it look like the Toolbox one. And just a quick screen about the Toolbox 2. What I will share with you soon. The Bollinger Band riding indicator, which is one of the best part of the Toolbox 2. The support and resistance indicator, which is killer. Really, really. The indicator is showing you in every time which is the most relevant, and how strong by percentage the support and the resistance is. The details indicator and the risk manager indicator and everything. And again, the divergence signals in the multi also. So that's this is I will share with you everything on the Toolbox 2 webinar. You will enjoy. I hope so. This I put it my heart into the Toolbox 2 also. So I hope you will like it and you will be happy with this. Okay, guys, now we reach the end of this presentation. So, and that's the time for your question. If you have any question about the tools and about the service, don't hesitate to take me the question. I'm very glad to answer, of course. Yes, of course, it's real. It's real. It's my account and it's real. Sure. It's not marketing thing, Osman. Orian, sorry. many of you guys know me since a few years. No. The Osman is asking, do I see these the AU, the euro dollar, mainly. Oh, of course not. On every single pair, on every single. What we have on the MetaTrader, guys? I've opened 40. I don't know how much chart. I like to trade in everywhere, Osman, in everywhere. Where is the right place? Where is the divergence? Where is the extreme level? If support us, the fundamental pressure is supporting us, no question. Need to be in on every single symbol. I like the yen pairs also. Rupesh, please put it to the FX Pro. Okay, guys, please put it to the FX Pro, and what you and contact me. Okay, please. The problem is that many of broker is using on the background different programs, and sometimes it's not compatible with the tools. That's why usually I'm telling you we are analyzing on the FX Pro, not because of this broker, because of the time frames. I mean the GMT of the FX Pro. That's the most relevant for us, and using in here. And trade on your live account, of course, but analyzing in here on the FX Pro. And that's the way. But friends, if you have any problem, if you have any question, don't hesitate to email me, please. Yeah, yes, of course, I will. No problem. You can watch because we are recorded the webinar. Okay. Jens, your question is that you saw I made 10 trades average per month. It's quite low rate. First of all, the signal service just started, and the second thing, the market is very sensitive. I like to trade if it's clear. The fundamental pressure was so hard and so huge, and I decided to protect the money. And because this is on my own account, this was the decision, and I don't want to send a signal just because I must to send a signal per day, 2 or 3 signal. You will get many signal if the market is okay for me. You will get 5-10 signal per day if the market is okay. I like to trade on 1 hour also with the M15 combination, hidden divergence and regular divergence as a confirmation. You will see my strategies, and you will see. You will get many. You can get many signal, but not in this period. This period was terrible. OZ, the yens, the euro. No. It's no clear picture at the moment. It will. I think that's the end. So we can enjoy the trades from now. I hope so. No, Tamash, no. But if you want, just ping me privately, okay? And we can communicate on Skype or what you prefer. I can give you my private cell phone number also. If you are holding it to yourself and not put to the Facebook, I will give you my phone number. It's free. The Toolbox one is it's free for the club. No need to pay for me. We are different traders, Jans. We are different traders. But also together, but we are different traders and different signals. Because our personality is different. Call me and catch me privately, and we will talk about everything, guys. Okay? About everything. how I'm using the Fibo thing, the Fibo funds. I know I'm the only one of the world who is using the Fibo thing like me. And you will see, it's amazing. Okay, guys. Yes, my email. Where is my email? This is okay. My email is on the dollar franc, I think. We are in profit, so close the trade. Just kidding. It's on the dollar franc, I think. I'm trading on every symbol, so, and you can see on the dollar franc. No, where is it? Where is it? Dollar Canadian. Let's make a box. That's my private email address. Email me privately, please. Because if you are email me through the support, through the company, I will get it 2 days later. So that's my private email, and you can catch me immediately. Okay, Laszlo FX. Okay, Laszlo FX. And also you can catch me by Skype. Laszlo Han, that's the name. No, where is the O? And you can see my 2 sons on the picture, and that's me on the Skype. The Toolbox 2 at the moment for members, yes, the Toolbox 2 is only for members at the moment, but we will go to the national market, international market also. That's the decision. But now I want only to enjoy the club members, because I not build it because of the money. I build it from my heart to the people around me. The Toolbox 1 you can upload from the members area. You can upload from the members area in the trading tools. Okay. Do I trade on 4-hour mainly? No. That's the main time frame, the daily and the 4-hour, but 1-hour and M15 also for intraday trade. Guys, I'm trading intraday and medium-term trade and long-term trade also. You will see. You will see. We will hold the webinars. We will hold about the strategies and about everything. This was about. This was the first introduction of the signal service. Okay, cool. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you to being here, and I enjoyed very much, and I happy to see you enjoy my my tools, and you will enjoy the Toolbox too. I know that. I see. I see. You're very welcome, guys. You're very welcome. See you soon, and please don't hesitate to email me or ping me on Skype, please. Okay, if you have any question about the service or about the tools, don't hesitate to email me. And see you in the club. See you in the club. Have the best day, guys, and good rest. Good rest. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.